Okay, hello Tina. Naririnig mo na ako?
Opo.
Okay. And are you ready now to start our class for today? Are you ready? Pakita nga ng
Yes
thumbs up.
po.
Okay, so handa ka na sa ating aralin and just let me know if you cannot hear teacher, okay? Okay, so
Okay
now
po.
I'm going to share to you our topic for today or our words for today na babasahin mo ngayon. So ito ang ating short I words. Again, ano nga ulit ang letter ngayon? Short letter?
I,
Okay.
I,
Kahapon, yesterday, what letter are we reading about? Anong letra ngayon? Kahapon?
E,
E. Nung una nating klase, our first class, what letter ngayon?
A,
A. So, kayon, we're going to talk about short I words. Uy. Pero, before natin simulan, we're going to read some of the words in here. So, Athena, can you please read this one? Itong salita na ito, pwede mo bang basahin?
run,
Okay. Dito, since letter I siya, babasahin natin to as read. Ikaw nga, read.
read,
Isa pa, read.
read,
Okay. Dito, itong salita na ito, pwede mo bang basahin ito? Okay. Dito, meron tayong, paano mo babasahin ito? Letter R, I, at M. Alam mo ba paano basahin 'to o hindi?
hindi,
Okay. Ano nga yung tunog ng letter I? Letter I, alam mo ba yung anong tunog? What's the sound of letter I? Okay, 'pag sabihin natin yung mga vowels, E, I, O, U. Ano nga yung I? Ano nga tunog ng I?
E,
Okay. Can you please repeat after me? I, O, U. Ikaw nga?
A, E, I, O, U,
Okay. Yung I dito, ano nga yung tunog ng I? Sa I, U, U? Ano nga yung tunog?
E,
Okay. So, dito, babasahin natin to as rim. Ikaw nga, rim.
rim,
Okay. Ito, paano nga ulit to? Kanina, rim. Ngayon, papalitan natin yung M ng D. Letter D. Magiging,
rim,
okay, read at, eto,
rim,
okay. Itong rim, lalagyan natin ng B. Magiging, paano kaya? Okay, dito makikita natin meron tayong letters B, R, at I. Okay, paano kaya 'to babasahin? Alam mo ba paano 'to basahin? Oo o hindi? B, R, at I.
hindi,
Okay. So, dito, ang B at R magiging brr. Brr. Ikaw nga? Brr. Brr. Para kang nagmomotor. Brr. Brr. Ganyan. So, ngayon kasi may I, magiging bri. Ikaw nga? Bri.
rim,
Bri. Now, lagyan natin ng M yung bri. Magiging?
brim,
Okay, very good. Isa pa nga.
brim,
Okay. Ito, brim. Ito naman ay?
Brim.
Okay, very good. Ngayon, magsisimula tayo sa ating mga salita na nandito. So, are you ready? Babasahin natin ulit, ha?
Apo.
Okay, sabihin mo lang kapag hindi ka marunong kasi tuturuan kita. Ngayon, nandito meron tayong mga closed words. Magsisimula tayo sa sa salita nga ito. Paano kaya babasahin 'to? Alam alam mo ba paano?
Hindi po.
Okay lang. So, dito, paano nga 'to? Ito lang, B at I.
B.
B. Yan, very good. Now, lagyan natin ng B. Isa pang B. Magiging,
B.
anong tunog lang letter B?
B. B.
B. Okay. B at B. Magiging,
Ba.
magiging ito. B at letter B, magiging bib. Bib.
B.
Okay, isa pa. Bib.
B.
Okay, ito naman. Paano nga to?
Bib.
Fib. Very good. Ito naman.
Nib.
Nib. Ito.
Rib.
Rib. At
Kib.
kid.
Lid.
Lid.
Read.
Read.
Big.
Big. Ito naman.
Dig.
Dig. At yung ito pa.
Fig.
Okay, very good. Now, before we proceed, let us read all of the words, okay? So, let's start with the first one. Can you please read that?
Bib.
Bib,
Fib.
fib,
Nib.
nib,
Rib.
rib,
Kid.
kid,
Lid.
lid,
Read.
read,
Big.
big,
Dig.
dig.
Fig.
Okay, very good. Now, mag-proceed tayo or let us proceed with our next words in here. Wow. So, marunong ka na. You learn how to read short I words. So, now let us proceed with this one. So, in here, can you please read this one, Athena?
Jig.
Jig. And then next,
Pig.
pig. And then
Wig.
wig.
Him.
Okay, good. Him. Ito pa.
Rim.
Rim,
Bin.
bean,
Fin.
pin,
Pin.
pin,
Tin.
tin.
Win.
Okay, good job. Now, before we proceed, basahin natin ulit lahat, ha? Okay, so let's start.
Jig.
Jig,
Pig.
pig,
Wig.
wig,
Him.
okay, him. Next one.
Rim.
Rim,
Bin.
bean,
Fin.
pin,
Pin.
pin,
Tin.
tin,
Win.
Okay, win. So good job. Now let us proceed with our next set of words. So in here, we're going to read the digraphs. Okay, just let me know pag hindi ka marunong basahin yung salita. Ha? So okay, mag-start tayo dito. Teka lang. Okay. So ito, Athena, pwede mo bang basahin ito?
Sheep.
Okay, very good. Sheep. Ito, next one.
Him.
Okay. Eto, paano mo ba babasahin ito? I at N.
In.
In. Ngayon, meron tayong C at H, di ba? Paano ba natin babasahin itong C at H? Alam mo ba? Paano?
Yes po.
Okay, paano to? Ano kaya tunog nito? Okay. In at ch. Magiging ano
Sheep.
kaya? Okay, ito magiging inch. Ikaw nga, inch.
In.
Isa pa, inch.
Is.
Okay, very good. Ito nga ulit, paano nga natin basahin to?
Sheep.
Sheep. Okay, ito naman,
Inch.
inch. Okay, very good. Ito, lagyan natin ng P yung inch, ha? Paano ba natin babasahin to?
Pinch.
Okay, very good. Pinch. Ito susunod. Paano ba natin babasahin to?
Skin.
Ulit?
Skin.
Okay. Dito, paano ba natin babasahin yung letter S at I?
Sin.
C. Okay ka nga, C.
C.
Okay. Ito naman, I, C, at K. Paano ba natin mabasahin to? I, C, at K. Alam mo ba
Kin.
paano? Okay, isa pa?
Kin.
Okay. Dito, I, C, at K, babasahin natin siya as ik. Ikaw nga, ik.
Ik.
Isa pa, ik.
Ik.
Anong tunog ng letter S? Okay. Pag pinagsama natin yung letters at yung ik, magiging?
Sick.
Okay, very good. Isa pa nga?
Sick.
Okay, that's good. Now, magdako tayo sa ating susunod.
Kick.
Okay, very good. Ito,
Dig.
isa pa?
Dig.
Okay. Dito, paano ba natin babasahin ng letter K at letter I?
Key.
Key. Itong letter I, N, at G, paano ba natin babasahin to? Alam mo ba paano?
No po.
Okay. Ito, I, N, at G, babasahin natin siya as ing. Ikaw nga, ing. Ing.
Ing.
Okay. Ngayon, sama natin yung letter K, yung sound na k, at ing. Magiging, paano kaya?
King.
Isa pa?
King.
Okay. King. Ikaw nga, king.
King.
Okay, very good. Now, dito naman,
Ring.
ring. Ito, sunod.
Sing.
Okay, meron tayong T eh. Ito muna S, T, at I. Paano ba natin babasahin to? S, T, at
Sing.
I. Okay. Ano nga ulit yung tunog ng S? Di ba? And then, lalagyan natin ng TI. Magiging STI. Ikaw nga, STI.
T.
Okay. STI at ano nga ulit yung tunog nito? ING?
Ing.
Ing. Yung STI at yung ing magiging
T.
okay, isa pa?
Sting.
Okay, very good. Tama, sting. At ito panghuli, paano ba natin babasahin to?
Wing.
Okay, isa pa? Wing.
Wing.
Okay, good job. Ngayon, before tayo mag-proceed, we're going to read all of these, okay? So, Athena, can you please read them all?
Sheep.
Sheep.
King.
Okay, isa pa?
King.
Okay, inch. Ikaw nga, inch. Okay, that's good. Ito?
Pinch.
Okay, pinch.
King.
Okay, this one, paano nga ulit to?
E.
Okay. Ito nga yung I, C, at K. Paano nga ulit to? Ang tunog nito? Alala mo pa? I, C, at K. Paano nga ulit to babasahin? Babasahin mo ito as ik. Ikaw nga, ik.
Ik.
Okay. Lagyan natin ng yung ik. Magiging?
Sick.
Okay, that's good. Ito?
Kick.
Okay, next one.
King.
King. Ikaw nga, king.
King.
Okay, next one.
Ring.
Ring. Ito.
Sing.
Okay, meron tayong T eh. So, lalagyan natin ng, eto, ST at I. Paano nga ulit babasahin yung ST at I? Ano nga ulit yung tunog ng S? Diba? Yung T at I. Paano babasahin yung T at I? T at I.
T.
Okay. At T magiging, pag pinagsama natin, ST at I, paano ba babasahin?
Sip.
Okay. Magiging ST. Ikaw nga, ST.
T.
Okay. Isa pa, ST. ST. Okay. Nalagyan natin ng NG. Magiging, ito na.
Ting.
Okay, very good. Isa pa?
Ting.
Okay. Sting. Ikaw nga?
Sting.
Okay, that's good. Ito, panghuli.
Wing.
Wing. Okay, so now we're going to proceed. Magdako tayo sa ating susunod na mga salita. Okay, so Athena. Teka lang. Okay, so Athena, can you please read these words? Paano kaya babasahin yung BR at R at I? Alam mo ba paano basahin to? BR at I? Okay, basahin mo to as BRI. BRI. Okay, kapag kasi katong makikita ka ng B at R, para kang nilalamig eh. May brrrr. Okay ka nga. Brrrr. Okay. Ito, BR at I magiging
Bring.
BRI. Okay. BRI, lalagyan natin ng M, magiging
Brim.
okay. Very good. Isa pa?
Brim.
Brim. Ito, susunod.
C.
Okay. Ito, babasahin mo to as cliff. Ikaw? Cliff.
Cliff.
Okay, isa pa. Cliff. Okay, very good. Ito, ang F magiging P. Paano babasahin to?
Sip.
Okay, kanina cliff, di ba? Cliff, letter F. Ito, magiging P na. Paano nababasahin?
Clip.
Okay, isa pa? Clip.
Clip.
Okay. Eto naman, paano kaya to babasahin?
Freak.
Okay, isa pa?
Freak.
Okay. Flick. Ikaw nga?
Flip.
Okay. That's good. Eto,
Sweep.
isa pa?
Sweep.
Okay. Dito, ano nga ulit yung tunog ng S? Okay. And then, i-combine natin siya with the word lip. Ito nga, lip. Lip.
Lip.
Ang S
Lip.
or at lip, magiging,
Lip.
okay. Yung S, wag kalimutan yung S. Magiging,
Lip.
sleep.
Sleep.
Isa pa nga, sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, isa pa, sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, very good. Ito, panghuli, paano natin babasahin to?
Blip.
Ulit?
Blip.
Okay, blimp.
Blip.
Okay, very good. Now, let us read them all, okay? Let's start with this first word. Can you please read that?
Blair.
Ulit?
Blair.
Okay, ito, brr, brim.
Brim.
Brim. Next one.
Cliff.
Okay, cliff. Ito.
Clip.
Okay, that's good. Cliff. Next one.
Freak.
Okay, that's good. Flick. Next one.
Sleep.
Okay, one more time.
Sleep.
Okay, sleep. Parang ganito. Sleep, pero I kasi. Sleep. One more time. Sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, and last one. Nabasa mo to
Tea.
kanina. Okay, ulit nga.
Beep.
Okay. Huwag kalimutan yung letter L. Blimp. Ika nga.
Blip.
Blimp. Okay, that's good. Now, ito, panghuli na natin to. Okay, pwede mo bang basahin ito?
Bigs.
Okay. Ito muna. Basahin nga natin to. B, R, at I. Parang yung nilalamig ka. Paano yung nilalamig? B at R.
Brr.
Okay, brr. Okay, lagyan natin ng I. Brr at I. Magiging?
Bri.
Okay, Bri. Ito, lagyan natin ng C, K, at S. Magiging?
Bricks.
Okay, very good. Isa pa.
Bricks.
Okay, bricks. Ito naman. Paano nga ulit
Stick.
Okay, paano nga ulit basahin tong S, T, at I? T. Ika nga, ST.
Tea.
Okay, sti. Sti. Ikaw nga. Okay, huwag natin kalimutan yung T, ha? Ito ang sti at I-N-K. Magiging, ito, basahin mo ito as stink. Ikaw nga, stink. Okay, one more time. Okay, stink. Okay, next one. Okay, continue. Sleep. Almost there. Malapit na. Sleep. Ito, paano kaya to babasahin?
Peeps.
Okay. Ito, meron tayong P-P-E-R-S. Babasahin mo ito as purse. Ikaw nga, purse. Sli at purse magiging,
First.
okay, sli, sleepers.
Sleepers.
Okay, ikaw nga.
Sleepers.
One more time.
Sleepers.
Okay, that's good. How about this?
Sleep.
One more time.
Sleep.
Okay. Dito, yung ST at I. Paano nga ulit yung ST at I? Alala mo pa paano basahin yung ST at I? Ito. Sti. Sti. Ikaw nga. Sti. S at T. Paano to? Sti. Okay, one more time. Sti. Okay, isa pa? Okay. Sti. Okay, ito may N at K na yung sti. Magiging? Okay. Huwag kalimutan yung S. Ikaw nga? Ikaw nga? Letter S. Okay. Stink. Okay, that's good. Ito, panghuli.
Sing.
Okay, ano yung, ito muna. Ano yung sound ng S? Baka ano naguguluhan ka, ba't ganito? Kasi ano to, ahas to eh. Ikaw nga? Ikaw nga, Tina, sabihin mo nga. Okay. Lagyan natin ito. Paano ba natin babasahin to? L-I-N-G. Paano kaya? Ito ay, okay, very good. Now, basahin natin.
Sling.
Okay. One more time. Sling.
Sling.
Okay. So, let us read all of them before we end, okay? So, can you please read them all?
Bricks.
Bricks.
Stink.
Okay, stink. Ito naman.
Slippers.
Okay, sleepers.
Sling.
Okay, stink and
Sting.
okay, sling. One more time. Sling. Okay. So, we already finished our class, Athena. So, do you have any questions before we end? May katanungan ka ba?
Wala na po.
Okay, ano nga yung letra natin ngayon? Letter?
I.
Okay. So bukas we're going to proceed or read the short letter O. Short letter O. Okay. So our next class pala. So we're going to proceed with our letter O letters. So thank you so much, Athena, for coming into my class today. At salamat sa pakikinig. Thank you, Athena. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.